Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad won't turn on, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue may arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty battery, a damaged power supply, or internal components that have failed. If not addressed promptly, this problem could lead to further damage or data loss, making the repair process more complicated and costly. To carry out this repair, you will need a suitable screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery or power supply as necessary. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel of your ThinkPad. Be careful to keep them safe, as you will need them later. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it needs to be replaced. Disconnect the battery connector carefully, ensuring you do not pull on any nearby cables. Next, if the power supply is suspected to be faulty, you will need to locate it, usually positioned near the charging port. Remove any screws holding it in place, and gently lift it out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Replace the faulty component with the new one, making sure to secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before closing your device, double-check that all connections are secure and that no tools or screws are left inside. Carefully replace the back cover and screw it back on, taking care not to over-tighten the screws. Once everything is back in place, plug in your device and press the power button to check if it turns on successfully. If your Lenovo ThinkPad still does not power up, it may be time to consult with a professional. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure you regularly check the battery health and avoid overcharging your device. Keeping your laptop clean and ensuring proper ventilation can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.